What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the review of this sleeping mask. As you can see right here, just gonna review this till you guys see how it basically works and what's inside. So in the package guys, we have at least 6 sets of each inside right here. Looks something like this. As you guys can see right here, looking really neat. Just gonna try it on so you guys see how it basically looks. And I can say I love the material of this. It feels very much silky. Material feel pretty strong. If it basically tight, you can adjust it with these chops right here. Try it again. And that is it right there guys. This is how it basically looks. Feel very comfortable, as you can see right here, which basically I can use this to block out most of my shades whenever I'm like sleeping. And you know, I'm a person who does like a lot of light, which help me to sleep much faster. This is one of the product right here. As I said guys, we have at least 6 of them which come inside. Really good product. I love the quality of this right here. I love the fact that you can adjust it with this little strap at the back right here, which is very neat, as you can see. So you can adjust this to your liking anywhere you want it. Material made from silk. I think I feel like a cotton inside, but I'm not sure. This is not really stretchy. This one right here is stretchy and it worked perfectly fine. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Remember that link for this is down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Peace out.